L-sit is a hero move. It's something that gets you six-pack abs and fantastic posture in the same session. And all you have to do is just sit there. But the problem is that a lot of people lack the strength and the flexibility to be able to do the move properly and get the abs that they want. But in just 5 minutes, with this routine, you're gonna prep yourself for that, get all of the benefits from the L-sit, and when you're ready to commit to the training, you're gonna be light years ahead of everyone else. You get the strength, you get the flexibility, you get the abs! All right, we're gonna get straight into the workout. You're gonna need to stand up for this first move. It's going to be scale with our left leg. You can use the wall for balance if you need it, or a chair. It doesn't make a difference. We're going to be going for 30 seconds, lifting straight with the left leg. 3, 2, 1. Lifting up, straight leg. Have your hand there as a target. Try to reach horizontal. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep that leg straight. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, hip flexors probably cramping, 16, 17, that's what we're looking for, 18, 19, 20. Standing pike stretch is next. Hands go out. Bring your chest forward to the ground. Legs stay straight. You can place your hands on the ground. If you're up here on your thighs, that's fine. Hang out here. Or just let yourself relax and use the weight of your upper body to bring you down. 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scale with the right leg. And go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring your entire leg up as one unit. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Standing pike stretch again. Bring the chest down. Reach for the ground. Keep that chest pulled down to the ground. We want to stretch out the hamstrings here, not the lower back. Bring your hands forward a little bit more to deepen the stretch. When you sink back, it takes it off your gastrocnemius. You come forward, it stretches that as well. 2, 1. Now, bend the legs. Come down to your butt. Hands go on either side, thumbs facing forward. We're going to push up into the seated L-sit hold right here, and then with straight legs, walk in as far as we can, walk out as far as you can. And just keep going back and forth like this. And out. In. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, seated pike stretch. Bring the chest forward to the thighs. If you're right here, and you just want to place your hands on the ground with a straight back, that's a fine place to start. It's actually a really hard thing to do for a lot of people. That's completely normal. As you get more advanced, bring your chest lower and lower and lower until you can grab your heels and bend your arms and eventually bring your chest down to your thighs. 2, 1. Foot walk-ins again. So, hands go to the side, thumbs forward, walk the feet out. And then walk the feet in as far as you can. You want to stick your butt backwards, try to get behind your hands, and then walk it back out. And in. This right here is training your support strength that you need for the L-sit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Seated pike stretch again. This time, I want you to tuck your head in, and now we're going to be stretching the lower back. So bring the crown of your head down to your thighs. You're going to feel this more in your back than in your thighs. Relax here. Just let the weight of your body bring you down. For some of you, this is going to be easier. For others, this is going to be harder. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, hands go on either side. Further back your hands are, easier it is. Compressionless for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If this is too hard, you can bend your knees. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Try keeping straight over time. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 1. Now, V-sits as the last burnout. This is the last move. Gonna be on our back. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Bring the hands to the feet each time. Feel this in the abs. In on the lower, exhale on the way up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that at the top for 3, 2, 1, and relax. That right there is your 5-minute L-sit workout. Nice job for following along. We're gonna do a quick decompression. We're just gonna breathe in, hands on the lower back, press the hips forward, feel that stretch in the upper body. If this is too extreme, you can come down to Cobra. Right here, nice on the ground. Breathe in and out, a little cool down right here. If you like this workout, go ahead and click subscribe. I release daily workout videos. Help you get stronger. All of them follow along as you can see what's really required to get there. Breathe in and out. Come to your knees. Rest in child's pose to decompress that lower back and shoulders. Breathe in and out. Doing this workout 3 days a week. It's going to prep you for the L-sit. You're going to get the support strength you need, the flexibility you need, and the core strength. Everything you need to get started. Breathe in and out. 3, 2, 1. Roll forward. Nice job. I'm Jake. Thanks so much for working out with me. And as always, thanks for getting better.